In this video, I show you how to fix why my gifs are not working on WhatsApp. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for WhatsApp, update your WhatsApp if available any update version. Then go to settings, then search for private DNS. Tap on private DNS. Tap on private DNS. Enable private DNS provider or host name. Enter here 1.1.1.1.cloudflare-dns.com. Then tap on save it. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search for WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. Now open WhatsApp. Now tap on emoji icon. Then tap on GIF. Now I hope that this method fix GIFs not working problem on WhatsApp.